Just a short walk behind Francis Wyman Elementary lies the Burlington Community Garden. The garden was first established in 2013 by People Helping People.
Back in 2012, we being People Helping People, and the Science Center and myself approached the school committee, and we pointed out that this part of the Francis Wyman property was pretty much undeveloped. Nothing was growing here, was never utilized. So we asked if we could set the garden up here to get something going, and they authorized it in 2012. And in 2013, we had our first growing season where we did, I think, about 600 pounds.
For the past 3 years, the start of growing season has been marked with a special blessing from members of the Burlington Clergy.
I happened to be talking to Father Mahoney after Mass one day, and we were just chatting, and you know, as I said earlier today, we should never underestimate the power of prayer. And I just said, you know, Father, this is right around the corner. You mind walking over with me and give me a little blessing? And he said, sure.
Grant, we pray, that this land, enriched by your bounty and cultivated by human hands, may be fertile with abundant crops. Then your people, enriched by the gifts of your goodness, will praise you unceasingly now and for all the ages.
It's always a pleasure to be here with the community, to bless the garden, and People Helping People and the Food Pantry do such wonderful work and help so many people in the community. It's just awesome to see new things growing and new life burgeoning. It's symbolic of how our community is always renewing itself and has new life and good things in the future.
Many are hopeful this is the beginning of a bountiful season for the garden.
I'm really happy to have the turnout we had, and it's a beautiful day. The sun came through. It was a little rainy earlier, and I just feel like that kind of speaks to how we hope the season goes.
The sun came out, which was kind of nice. It was kind of like an omen that everything's going to be good this year. It's always good. It just feels good to have people who care about other people in town come out and do something like this.
The prosperity of the community garden would not be possible without the work of dedicated volunteers.
You know, they spend hours upon hours in the garden every week, and there's a lot of work. There's weeding, there's watering. It's not easy, and we have volunteers that some of them spend 30-plus hours a week here in the garden. There's no way we'd be able to harvest 3,000 pounds of produce out of this garden without the incredible work from our volunteer team here.
Until next time, this is Chris Flaherty for BNEWS Weekly.